Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to save each worksheet as separated PDF file in a workbook at once with Kutools for Excel. You can save each worksheet or a specific worksheet in a workbook as a separate PDF file with the Split Workbook utility of Kutools for Excel. Click on the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click on the Split Workbook feature. In the Split Worksheet dialog box, please check the worksheets you need to save as individual PDF files in the worksheet name box. In the options section, check the Save as Type box and select PDF from the drop-down list. And then click the Split button. In the popping up Browse for Folder dialog box, select a folder for saving these PDF files. Click on Select Folder button. Then all selected worksheets are saved as a PDF file immediately. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe for more videos.